Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Cloud, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Adobe Cloud, begin by downloading the Adobe Creative Cloud application from the official Adobe website. Once the download is complete, locate the installer in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Creative Cloud on your computer. After the installation is complete, open the Creative Cloud application. You will be prompted to sign in. If you already have an Adobe account, enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, click on the option to create a new account and follow the prompts. Once you are signed in, you will see the main dashboard of Adobe Creative Cloud. Here, you can manage your subscriptions and view available apps. To activate your subscription, check the Apps tab and ensure you have the right plan selected. If you need to update or purchase a subscription, click on the Plans tab. Select the desired plan and follow the prompts to complete the purchase process. Once your plan is active, return to the Apps tab. You'll see a list of Adobe applications available under your subscription. Click on the Install button next to each application you wish to download. Once your apps are installed, you can find them in your Applications folder or Start menu. For ongoing access, make sure you stay signed in to your Adobe account. If you encounter any issues, visit Adobe's support page for troubleshooting tips. And that's it, you are now ready to enjoy all the features of Adobe Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.